So now we are doing part F. Okay, now let's do part F. There we go. What is it going to say? The limit as h goes to 0 of 2 plus h all squared minus 4 all over h. Okay, this is the one we're solving now. And of course, this is the one where we expand, because this is not factorization. This is what you do when you complete the square, right? So we are going to expand and simplify it. Okay, this is the one where if you go into the videos and you go and check, you see me saying that you must simplify. This is the one where you simplify. So you expand and simplify. Let's do that. So we expand this. Okay, when I get this, because look, you're going to try substitution. Always try substitution first. And you test it in the denominator of your fraction. If it's a fraction, try substitution first. Check in the denominator. So if I put 0 here where there is h, I substitute. Remember, we're going towards 0, so I put where is 0. That means the bottom will be 0, and that should never happen. So I can't do that. I have to do that, the method which you talked about now. So let's do that. We expand. It's going to be here. We expand. Remember, we know how to expand. 2 plus h all squared. You square the first term. 2 squared, it becomes 4. You multiply them together. 2 times h, you get 2h. The answer that you get, you multiply it by 2. So you multiply them together. The answer that you get, you multiply it by 2, because it's going to happen 2 times, and it'll be 4h. Then you square the last term, which is going to be plus h squared. Okay? Remember that this was minus 4. So here, this becomes now 4 plus 4h plus h squared. Then there is this minus 4 at the end here, which is there. Then it's all over h. Don't forget the word limit. Why am I doing that? Should move it. Then remember to put the word limit. So it's the limit as h goes to 0 of this minus 4 all over h, which is going to be the limit as h goes to 0 of 4 minus 4, they will cancel, they will go to 0. So it'll be 4h plus h squared, which you can write as h squared plus 4h. Okay, h squared plus 4h all over h. Now what am I going to do is the limit as h goes to 0. I'm going to factor out h here from the top. H into h squared, you remain with 1h, plus h into 4h, the h cancels, will remain with 4, and it's all over h. Then what's going to happen is the h and the h will cancel, and h into h, it's 1, here into 1 is 1. So it's going to be the limit as h goes to 0. We don't need to put 1 in the denominator. We'll just remain with h plus 4. Okay, it's going to be h plus 4. Now, this is going to be, can I substitute? Yes! Why? It's a polynomial. Go ahead. So where there's h, I'm putting 0. So it's going to be 0 plus 4. And 0 plus 4, you get f4. So this is going to be the final solution, and you would be done. Now we go to part G. We'll do it in the next video. Goodbye for now.